Hello there and welcome to our Calm Gardening Indoor Plant series. Today's video is about when to water this succulent jade plant. If you haven't watched the video on the plant that lived for 3 weeks in complete darkness and survived, you're encouraged to watch it. It's uploaded in March. So when do we water this plant? I'll just show you the label. Crassula Gollum. And at the back it says outdoor, full sun to part shade and moderate water. Now for this jade prosperity plant, what I do is to touch it and give it a gentle squeeze, just like this. And right now mine feels strong and supple to the touch. Therefore I know I don't need to water it for another 3 weeks or so. As a rule, if you don't have time to do what I do, which is this, you can check your plant once every 3 or 4 weeks in summer and once every 7 or 8 weeks in winter. For if you get busy and you forget to check, it doesn't matter. This is the #1 tough plant, indoor plant to grow. So how do you water? When you water it, don't just use half a cup. Let it run under the tap and let water go through completely at least twice. It likes a thorough watering, but it likes to go dry between watering. So let your soil go dry between watering, but not completely dry. So you can lift the pot. If it feels like half the soil is dry, that's the best time. If it goes 2/3 of the pot is dry, that's also okay, but don't let it go dry completely, okay? This can go anywhere in your lounge room, but not the bedroom. For now, I'm going to stop touching the plant and happy growing.